Across the vastness of space, creation is often born from destruction. Galaxies, immense cities of stars separated by unimaginable distances, are not isolated islands drifting in silence. They are travelers on intersecting paths, bound by gravity and time. When galaxies collide, the encounter unfolds not as a violent crash of solid objects, but as a slow, majestic transformation, an act of galactic alchemy that reshapes structure, ignites new stars, and forges the elements that make life possible. At first, a galactic collision seems paradoxical. Stars within galaxies are separated by enormous distances, making direct stellar impacts exceedingly rare. Yet the true interaction occurs not between stars, but between gravitational fields. As two galaxies approach, their mutual gravity begins to stretch, twist, and distort their shapes. Spiral arms elongate into luminous streams. Stellar orbits are rearranged. What appears serene from afar is, in reality, a profound reorganization of matter and motion. Gravity is the catalyst of this alchemy. It funnels vast clouds of gas and dust toward galactic centers, compressing them under immense pressure. These clouds, once stable, become unstable. Shock waves ripple through them, triggering collapse. Within these collapsing regions, new stars are born, sometimes at rates hundreds of times greater than those in calm, isolated galaxies. Collisions transform quiet star systems into blazing starburst factories. As gas clouds collide and compress, temperatures rise, and nuclear reactions ignite within newly formed stars. These reactions fuse simple elements into heavier ones, continuing a process that began with the first stars in the universe. Hydrogen becomes helium. Helium becomes carbon. Carbon becomes oxygen, neon, and beyond. Each generation of stars enriches its environment, seeding galaxies with the raw materials needed for planets, chemistry, and life. Galactic collisions do more than form stars. They shape entire evolutionary pathways. Spiral galaxies can lose their orderly structure, transforming into massive elliptical systems. Disks warp and dissolve. Central bulges grow denser. Over time, the identities of the original galaxies fade, replaced by something entirely new. These mergers are not accidents. They are a fundamental mechanism by which galaxies grow and mature. At the hearts of many galaxies lie supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times more massive than the Sun. During collisions, these giants are fed. Gas driven inward by gravitational torque spirals toward galactic centers, awakening black holes that may have long been dormant. As they consume matter, they unleash enormous energy in the form of radiation and jets, influencing star formation across entire galaxies. Creation and destruction intertwine once again. These active galactic nuclei can both stimulate and suppress star formation. Their radiation can compress nearby gas, triggering new stars, or heat and expel gas, halting future stellar birth. The balance between these effects determines the fate of the merged galaxy. Galactic alchemy is not a single reaction. It is a complex sequence of transformations governed by gravity, energy, and time. The chemical consequences of collisions extend far beyond the moment of impact. Massive stars formed in starbursts live fast and die young, exploding as supernovae. These explosions scatter heavy elements, iron, gold, uranium, into interstellar space. Some of the heaviest elements are forged in even more extreme events, such as neutron star mergers, which become more likely in dense, collision-driven environments. Every galactic encounter enriches the universe's chemical inventory. Over billions of years, this process builds complexity. Early galaxies contained mostly hydrogen and helium. Through repeated cycles of star formation, death, and collision, galaxies became chemically diverse. The elements that compose planets, oceans, and living cells owe their existence to these ancient encounters. The universe did not simply expand, it evolved chemically, guided by gravitational interaction. Our own galaxy bears the scars and gifts of past mergers. Streams of stars moving through the Milky Way are remnants of smaller galaxies long ago absorbed. Their stars now orbit alongside ours, indistinguishable except through careful measurement. The Milky Way itself is a composite structure built through countless acts of cosmic assimilation. Galactic alchemy shaped our home long before Earth existed. Future collisions are already written into the universe's script. The Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy are on a slow collision course, destined to merge billions of years from now. When they do, their encounter will ignite new star formation, reshape both galaxies, and create a new system entirely. From the chaos of collision will emerge a renewed galaxy. Proof that creation continues even at cosmic scales. Galactic collisions also help reveal the nature of dark matter. As visible matter distorts and reorganizes, dark matter's gravitational influence becomes apparent through lensing and motion. By observing collisions, scientists map invisible mass and test theories about the universe's unseen components. In this way, galactic alchemy becomes a tool for understanding not just stars and elements, but the very composition of reality. What makes these processes profound is their timescale. Galactic collisions unfold over hundreds of millions of years. To human perception, they are imperceptibly slow, yet their consequences last for billions. The stars born in these encounters may host planetary systems long after the original galaxies have faded from memory. Cosmic violence gives rise to long-lived stability. There is a poetic symmetry to this process. Destruction seeds creation. Disorder yields structure. The universe advances not by preserving the past, but by transforming it. Galactic alchemy does not erase. It reworks, recycles, and reinvents. Every collision is a conversation between gravity and matter, written across light years and epochs. In this context, the universe is not merely expanding, it is refining itself. Each merger increases complexity, diversity, and potential. The elements necessary for life are not inevitable. They are earned through countless acts of cosmic interaction. Without galactic collisions, the universe would be quieter, simpler, and far less interesting. Humanity's existence is tied to this process. The atoms in our bodies were forged in stars born from ancient collisions. The iron in our blood, the calcium in our bones, and the gold we value so highly are the legacy of galactic alchemy. We are not separate from these events. We are their outcome. Galactic collisions remind us that creation is rarely gentle. It is dynamic, messy, and often violent. Yet from this turbulence arises beauty, structure, and possibility. The universe builds not through avoidance of chaos, but through its careful transformation. In the end, galactic alchemy reveals a universe in perpetual motion, forever reshaping itself through gravity's influence. Collisions do not signal endings, but transitions. They are the universe's way of forging new stars, new elements, and new futures, proving that even on the grandest scales, creation and destruction are inseparable partners in the cosmic dance.